Charity 17. In a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawood, number 2511, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, warned against greed. This can lead one to withholding the obligatory charity, and this only leads to destruction in both worlds. For example, a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 1403, warns that the person who does not donate their obligatory charity will encounter a large poisonous snake which will continuously bite them on the Day of Judgment. Chapter 3 Ali Imran, verse 180.
And let not those who greedily withhold what Allah has given them of His bounty, ever think that it is better for them. Rather, it is worse for them. Their necks will be encircled by what they withheld on the day of resurrection.
If one's greed prevents them from donating voluntary charity, it may not be unlawful, but it is highly undesirable, as this contradicts the characteristic of a true believer. Put simply, the stingy person is far from Allah, the Exalted, far from paradise, far from people and close to hell. This has been warned in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmizi, number 1961. Greed will encourage one to use their blessings, such as their time and wealth, in ways pleasing to themselves instead of recognizing that the path to peace and success in both worlds is to use the blessings one has been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, the true owner and bestower of all blessings. A greedy person only ever cares about their own rights, and will therefore easily neglect the rights of Allah, the Exalted, and people. This only leads to stress and trouble in both worlds.